Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today it's gonna be a little bit of a shorter video as they're sitting here munching on some graham crackers. I'm good. But so today I'm just installing this little deck lid, getting rid of this ugly chrome little like gas cap looking thing. It's gonna be pretty quick, but pull up your pants. Oh my god. So yeah, just stay tuned. It's gonna be quick and easy. The hardest part is just a little bit of cutting, but yeah.
I was feeling like, let's go to the Royal Buffet and you can go to the hibachi part.
Hey, smell, dude.
Ew, no, dude, no.
That'd be so clean, bro.
That's so funny. Sleeper? Sleeper?
So actually, I never ended up showing you guys the trunk setup. We still have a video coming showing off the bags and all that stuff. But here's our trunk setup, what we got going on right now. It's not too pretty. We have a bunch of wires under here right now. I was just trying to get it working. It was a pretty hard process. It was all a learning step. The compressor is actually under here in the wheel well. So you can see plenty of room. But yeah, I just want to keep you updated on that real quick. And there's Jason's ugly car. Ugly. Oh, and actually, there's something new coming on that car pretty soon. Stay tuned, it's gonna look clean. I freaking hate clips, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, hold up.
Dude, why will this not freaking come out? To freaking take this off.
Take what off?
This bull crap. I don't know what I was doing, I was just going ham. So after wasting half my time, I don't know what I was doing, but all you have to do is unscrew these bolts and then pull the deck lid off. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do now. What?
You don't speak. That's cool.
They only say like 1 or 2 words and everyone's like, oh god, what is that? Where's that noise coming from? Oh! Oh, daddy. I bet you $1,000 I'm gonna break the clip. But luckily we don't have to use them. Oh, that sounds like they're breaking. Oh, look at that! I broke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, I think you broke every one of them.
7, 8.
All but one. Look at that.
All but 1. Hey, y'all want this? Y'all. Yeet!
Dude, they kind of hurt, actually.
Like real talk, I think I might hang this in my room. That look kind of clean, right? Oh my gosh. I think I'll get it. Once we cut this off, I think we should just leave it like that. How does that look? Pretty clean?
Oh! He's stealing!
He's stealing! Swole boy. That thing really scares me, honestly. Alright, so now that we got the stock deck lid off, we're just gonna cut this growth off. Just a little bit of surgery, you know. It's gonna be okay. I know what I'm doing. I have a degree. Thing took off. It was out for Alex. Right now we're just wiping it with the alcohol wipes that were provided, just to make sure it sticks. Make sure it's clean, no dirt or grime is under there. And make sure everything looks good. And no deck lids fly off in the middle of the highway. Now we're just putting on the adhesive tape. We're just putting on the adhesive onto the deck lid and then pulling off the 3M tape, and should be it. And we're gonna go get our cars washed. I don't think we're gonna show you that. We're not gonna show you all that actually. It's boring. This is this big and nice hole that we cut out. It's fisted a little bit, you know? Sometimes you gotta fist the hole. This is the scary part. You gotta make sure these corners are lined up right here. Watch your fingers real quick. Give me the light.
With these hands.
God, why is it sticking?
I will cling to you.
That looks good, right? Alright, so we just finished with the install. It looks pretty good. I think it makes it look more sleek. Something I wanted to say before, at the beginning of the video, do not judge how dirty my car is. We're about to go wash it in like 10 minutes, okay? But yeah, thank you guys for sticking around. Like I said, we have some more huge plans coming for the FRS. I know Jason has been slacking and doesn't buy things, except for what I get him for Christmas, but that's okay. Actually, let's flash to an edit to, we're gonna show you the inside of his car, some things he added for Christmas. So we're gonna go show you that real quick, then we're gonna close it out.
What's up, guys? We actually never got to show y'all what we did to the interior of my car, but it's actually right here. So we put just like a sword hilt on it, a katana sword hilt. I believe it's like the 6-inch, really cool, perfect size. I thought I was gonna want the 10-inch one. That was way too big. And like now looking at it, like this is perfect size. So if you're just wanting something moderate, it works awesome. And then some cool little counterparts to go with it are the right here we got the reverse lockout, and that, my friends, was a pain in the butt. But we got it, we did it. It looks cool. And it was totally worth it. And then thirdly, I did this little, we got the brake knob changed, and it matches. So I'm kind of OCD. I like color coordinating, so it looks freaking clean. We're freaking flexing on these people, flexing on them. But oh my gosh, we almost ran them. Let's see them. Oh my gosh. Not scripted. Oh man. Did you see them, Alex? Anyways, yeah, so that's all we really did to the interior. I'm just thinking out loud though. I think it'd be cool to maybe vinyl wrap this, but it's I don't know yet. We're still thinking about it. But that's all we did. I hope y'all enjoyed it, even though you didn't get to really see it. But yeah, so we put on for now, and just stay tuned for the future, because peeping new wheels. Stay tuned. Yeah, that's all I can say. But you'll see it in a couple weeks if you stay tuned. All right, see you guys.
Alright, so we're here filming the outro again on another day. I could have sworn we did it that night, but I guess we didn't, so we're just gonna film it here. Thanks for staying tuned and watching the video. I feel like he's getting super close to my face, but that's okay. I hope you guys like the deck lid just as much as we do. We're actually in the process of having a super cool video coming for Jason's Sign FRS, so make sure y'all stay updated. Make sure you subscribe, like, put the notification button on, and stay tuned. Thin noggin, dude.